Hey, I'm Rob, and we are doing some unboxing. So we got 3 packages in the mail today. One was already opened. I did a video on that, but I'm going to take it down because it wasn't very good. These are Injector Dynamics ID 1050Xs. I got these directly through Injector Dynamics through the sales guy Mitch. He did really good with me. I've used their products in the past. Back when they were selling ID 1000s and they were doing them by hand and actually engraving the serial numbers by hand. That's the set I had. Looked a little hokey, but they were the best thing on the market, and really they still are. As you can see, the Bosch logo, Bosch Motorsport now makes these for an Injector Dynamics. Let's get right into them. I already opened the package, like I said. I already did a video. The only thing I don't like, literally, 2 things I don't like, is these don't have a data sheet with them. I think I can request for one. They probably don't want to print the paper. I don't blame them. I think the old ones did. But they don't come with a data sheet, and there's no cap on the top covering the extension. There we go. Now it's in focus. So you can see these are printed. Printed there right from Bosch, and there's a D on the side. It won't focus for the life of me on any of this, probably because of my lighting. There we go. I am right-handed, or left-handed, so every time I hold the camera, and it's shaky too. Sorry, I'll have to hold with my left hand. Anyways, you see the big D on the side there, and then the caps, I believe, are lasered. Or maybe these are. I don't see any lasering on them, actually. This all looks printed. Odd. It's supposed to be lasered. Sorry about that. Can't grab the focus. Maybe because of all the hamburger grease. Come on. You can do it, phone. I'm going to have to take my word for it, I guess. Alright, now I'm going to spend 3 minutes trying to focus. Alright, and they come in with, I believe, what are US car injector plugs and pins. They do not have any pigtails on them, so that's got to be made. I requested them like this. They do supply injector conversion harnesses, or rather, yeah, conversion harness that you just plug in. I requested these. These are their most regular injector. They're sized to the same size as the old ID 1000s. They're a much shorter injector, and they're very big. I'm going to set the camera down real quick. Sorry about that. And I'll show you what they look like. If I can get her off there again. Okay. So I stuck this one. There we go. Alright, I got it. Alright, there we go. Nice sturdy clip comes off there. About your auntie. Comes right off. There you go. Big hole. Very short if you need them to be. Some applications you do. I don't believe they're making direct fire yet, but that'll probably be in the future, and direct fire guys don't really need bigger injectors, best I've seen yet. So there's that. They're a wonderful product. They're dynamically balanced, each and every one of them. They're awesome. And like I said, sales guy Mitch was awesome. They've been awesome in the past. This head gasket came out of Taiwan. John at Gaskets to Go. He's the man. Alright, might have to set the camera down again here. God, I need a stand. I have a stand. That's for my big camera. Don't cut the bed. Really well packed. Try not to slice my toe off. Oh yeah, camera's got to go down again. Sorry about that, guys. I'll give you something pretty to look at. Look at this injector. All this is going on. And somebody's about to walk into the room, of course. I'm doing an unboxing. Oh, maybe not. Maybe they heard me. Ugh. Really well packed. Alright. Alright, this gasket was a few $100. Go. Alright. Got level 1 out. Very well packaged. John Baker. Out of Thailand, not Taiwan. And, no tooling fees. Make a custom gasket. Flat rate, pretty much. You can get cheaper rates. More gaskets you buy on a sliding scale. I think 3 and up. Alright. Look at that. Nice little sandwich. I'll tell you what, better than I sent the template with. He works from either scale drawings or templates, which I just sent him my original gasket template. He did stack them together though. Oh no, he put the junk on the outside of the package. Alright, cool. Just trying to slice in here one-handed. It's really well packed. Everything's nice. Everything I've gotten today so far has been really good. There we go. Alright. And like sin. Oh no, we're not. Does have that nasty shipping odor. Alright, so this is what they used. Got my name on it. Got what it is. Alright, and what I did to request is these are a little bit large. They cleaned it too, because it wasn't that nice when I sent it to them. Because I did request the bores a little smaller. And the only thing I didn't like from the picture is that this guy right here is smaller than this guy here, but I don't know what it does yet. I forgot. So I got to compare that to my motor. It might be alright, but everything else has been copied to a T, unless I requested otherwise. Including blanking off this hole here, which I got to look into. I got to see if this is a coolant dump or an oil dump. All my oil dumps I want as large as possible for this application, which I could have requested that this be larger, which I think is the one for oil. But like I said, the only request I made is I made these bores just a touch smaller for better sealing. Usually you don't want to go that way. If you see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of steel there, and they're all coated, ready to go, held in by rivets on the corners. That's just as good as any other MLS head gasket I've ever seen. That's a nice one. Like I said, do not coat them if you're going to use John's services. He already has that coating on there for you guys. Our next box is from JAE. And everybody's shipping beat trend. I will definitely suggest, if you're out of the country, to ask about shipping if you're going to buy something from Trend Perform. Like I said, their product was good, but I mean, markup was astronomical on shipping. These boys about $80 shipping, 60 to $80 shipping. This guy free shipping, I think, or it was $40 shipping or something like that. And Injector Dynamics was $80 shipping. That is by the time you convert everything over, which actually I didn't pay yen for the injectors. I sold the car off for the injectors. Alright, here we go. Here comes somebody to talk to me. Yep. There we go. Alright, so we got these earpiece studs as promised, and there should be only one more part in the box. The lip seal. Oh, there we go. Yep. And lip seal. There we go. Unlike all the other companies, they did provide me an invoice. Which I like when they do that. I imagine there's a reason for no invoice on the Injector Dynamics stuff. I did get a little bit of a deal on them, but not much. Alright, there we go. So the studs were $252, which isn't bad. And then the seal output was $22.50, which isn't bad. And then the shipping was $64. But by the time you convert that over to yen, that's 80. But yeah, overall, really satisfied with these companies. Trend's the only one that I was upset with, and it had nothing to do with the machining work. I'm really excited. I can't use any of these parts yet. There's a rotating assembly sitting on the garage, and Japan's on a big holiday, so probably won't hear much from me for now. Actually, there's one thing, though, and I can't find the bag. I am going to clay up my rear hatch. And if you guys are looking for more car goodies, you guys should definitely check out WJP004. He's an Australian guy, great with fiberglass. And definitely, if you want more of my stuff or want to post your own build or something, join Mighty Car Mods forums. I'm a mod over there, and we have a lot of fun, a lot of good fun together, a lot of great guys on the forum, and we're always looking for more members. All right, I'm Rob, and take care easy.